Did you know that people decide if they respect you within the first 7 seconds of meeting you? And usually you haven't spoken a word yet. Your posture, your hands, the way you take up space tell the world how to treat you. If you want to be seen as elegant, confident and high value, you need to master the silent language of body. Today, I'm correcting 7 common body language mistakes that might be sabotaging your image and showing you exactly how to fix them. Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and I'm an international etiquette specialist. Welcome back to my channel. We often spend so much money on our clothes, our hair, but we forget that the most expensive thing we wear is our body language. You can wear a designer suit, but if you are slouching, fidgeting, you look unsure of yourself. True elegance is about stillness and alignment, so let's go through 7 mistakes you need to stop making today. Mistake number 1 is the turtleneck. We live in a digital world where we are used to hunching our phones or the other things. It's not nice. This collapses your chest and makes you look tight and submissive. Imagine there is a golden string attached to the top of your head up to the ceiling. So roll your shoulders back and down. Instantly, you look capable and alert. Mistake number 2 is the bobblehead. When we're nervous and want people to like us, we tend to nod too much while they are talking, but it makes you look eager for approval. Be still. Listen with your eyes. Nod once or twice to agree. Mind, stillness is a sign of confidence. Mistake number 3, touching your hair and clothes, grooming constantly, too much, touching your face, fixing your clothes. This all screams anxiety. It distracts people from what you are really saying. If you are sitting, place your hands in your lap and glue them there. If you are standing, hold your bag or drink. If it helps you, keep your hands still. Mistake number 4 is making you small. When you are crossing your legs, folding your arms tight, you are physically blocking the other people out and you look defensive. Open up, uncross your arms, claim your space. You have a right to be here. Mistake number 5 is moving too fast. Insecure people always rush because they feel like they are in the way. Elegant people do not rush. They take their time. Slow down your movements. Move slower. Turn your head slower. Walk slower. And remember, luxury is not in a rush. And the last mistake is looking at the floor. Looking down signals submission, and staring too hard is aggressive. So use the triangle method. Look at one eye, then the other eye, then their mouth, not just merely on their lips, but around. So keep your gaze level with the horizon. It's a lot to remember, right? So here is my best tip to remember this. Every time you walk through a doorway, any doorway, use it as a trigger to check your posture. Head up, shoulders back, smile, and with confidence enter. Practice it for 1 week and it will become a habit. Your body language speaks louder than your voice. By fixing these small things, you change how the world treats you. I want to know which of these mistakes are you guilty of. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe button. It helps me so much. Stand tall, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.